Today's unboxing video is going to be on this in-wall TV power kit. Now you can pick these up on pretty much at Lowe's and online, but it depends. They make so many different brands. I have used this brand before and installed it. I got another TV here for this studio I've been working on. I'm going to install this in to have the cables and stuff. You can get a idea of the TV and stuff, and it worked out good on my other office, so we're gonna put this in here in another video. I'm just going to show you what everything comes with it in this video. Never been opened. Been opened now. Not the best, but it's been opened. So what we get in the video, well, in the box, not the video, is this. This is your power 15 amp max, and this is changeable. You can change this bezel to maybe whatever color you want. You can actually paint this. I do not know if they sell them in different colors, because I ain't never seen them in a different color. They always come in white. You can always take it apart and paint it, or just leave it white. It's up to you. Everything is pre-attached. You don't have to do no wiring. It's plug and play. That's a good thing about this kit. Comes with instructions here. Very simple. Always read your instructions. This box here goes into your wall. It's got this here. Once you cut your drywall, it kind of just tightens up. Very handy to have. This is your jumper cable. It goes from the plug-in you installing over to your other plug-in. Always good to have that too, especially when it needs to come with the kit. This right here is your bottom plug-in that will go inside of this. So quite a few things come in this kit. This is your cover for that bottom plug-in. There's nothing else in the box. This back of the box, it has cables. Works with any brand TV, power multiple devices, easy to expand, better TV placement. And you can get an idea of exactly what we're doing. It's pretty straightforward. Now I will have a full install video on this. I didn't make one the last time I installed it, but I can go show you what it looked like after it's installed, just so you get an idea. So let's go check out the other TV that I used one of these on. Anyway, this is where I installed the other one. It's back behind here. This is not completely done. I need tons of cable management to do over here. This is why I was actually getting sound deadened and painted. This is usually where I shoot a lot of my streaming content. Yeah, this is my snacks, you know. Every streamer needs his snacks. But it goes in flush against the wall. And you can see we got this power here coming down. This is feeding something. I don't remember what it's feeding. And this one is feeding the TV. We got the HDMI cable running in through this section here, coming up to the TV. This is actually on a surge protector. This whole plug-in is, so we don't have to worry about any spikes in electricity. So that's a good thing. Always keep your electronics on the surge protector. So basically what you want to do is jump this into a plug-in with a built-in surge protector, which is a little costly, but you can get the plug-ins right here with surge protectors in them, or you can just plug this kit into a surge bar under your desk or something. That's actually the way this is set up. There's a surge bar directly underneath here. If you want to see more videos on how I actually got this set up, maybe me doing more stuff to this, because I got videos of me building this desk and a lot of these PCs and so on. So just let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know if you wanting to see this install video, which is coming soon. Be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. I check all my comments all the time. I try to read everybody's comment. I try to respond to the ones that I can. I might not get to respond to everybody, but I do appreciate your comments. So, yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. If you're new, get subscribed.